Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for yesterday's session, in the US markets, which was Tuesday the 14th of June. So we start with the S&P. We said that initial resistance was at 38.02 to 38.12. We said we needed a sustained break below 37.20 to 37.32 to see the next leg down. So let's go and have a look at yesterday's action. Okay, so as you can see, we didn't get the push up into that 38.02 to 38.12 area up here, so no initial resistance. We did come down, and it was fairly choppy action actually on the S&P yesterday. We did use the 37.20 to 37.32 as support several times here, right the way across the US session, and we had some good reactions to take those trades up into this zone above. So if you managed to get something in there, that was all very well and good. Again, because it was counter trend, because the overall trend in the market is bearish, these really are for more advanced traders, and you want to be aggressive. Just book your profits. Don't be greedy. Just take your profits and walk away. Manage your trades and risk manage your trades aggressively as well when you're in markets like this and you're trying to go against the trend. We then spoke about if we could get sustained break about below 37.20 to 37.32, and we got this this push down here, but we didn't get any. You noticed that this was a clear false break pattern. We got the push down, and then straight away we got the push back. So when we retested this area, there was no reversal pattern. It literally just pushed straight back through, and we actually come in towards the end of the session here as well. Yeah, nothing really to do there. So. Nothing really high probability there. The support zone held, and if you'd managed to get long in this area here, then you got those reactions up into that zone there for a small winning trade. But that's really about all that the S&P had on offer yesterday. So let's go and have a look at the Dow. So the Dow, we said initial resistance came in at 30800 to 30860, and we said that if we held resistance and saw further downside, we needed to see sustained breaks below 30325 to 3075, which could open up moves towards 29780 to 29720. So let's go and have a look at the Dow from yesterday. Okay, so you can see that the Dow, initially we used, so basically this zone here at 30,500 was the zone that sort of acted cleanest yesterday. We acted as support in this area, and then once we broke through, it acted as resistance here, and there was actually a really nice reversal pattern there as well, but it wasn't a zone that we was looking to trade from, so nothing that we could do. We did get the first reaction here, really nice reaction from that first touch of the 30325 to 30375 zone. Really nice reversal there, straight up into that zone there. So that was a really nice trade to take. Notice here we didn't really get the acceptance or the momentum below that zone initially on the first couple of pushes down here. And then when we finally did break it, again, a bit like the S&P, we got a really nice strong sustained break. So if you had got short, there's a bit of a head and shoulders pattern here. If you had got short from that, there's enough room there to actually make that trade risk-free. But if you're waiting for the retest, again, a bit like the S&P, when we got the retest here into this zone, one, it's towards the end of the session, and two, it was a false break signal. It was a really strong close back above. There was no reversal from that pattern there. So, yeah, really nice reversal here. There was this really nice reversal, but it was not a trade that we was looking at. And there was nothing here for us on this breakdown. Like I say, I don't trade head and shoulders patterns, but if that's something you do trade, you've got the left shoulder here, head here, right shoulder here, and breakdown. So that's something that potentially some people may trade, and that was valid. And like I say, there's certainly plenty of room there to make that trade risk-free, as we almost made it down to that next zone there. So yeah, a little bit better on a little few more opportunities on the Dow yesterday than the S&P. Nothing really high probability on the S&P. As always, please let me know what you think of these reports in the comments box. Let me know how useful you're finding them. Come and join our community so you can get to receive these reports before the market opens, but also get to discuss these reports with other traders in our ever-growing community. I hope you found it useful, and I'll speak to you again soon. Cheers.